Welcome back to 𝘼𝙤𝙮𝙗𝙤𝙧𝙖. 𝘼𝙤𝙮𝙗𝙧𝙖. Today we are going to learn top 10 Cantonese dating slangs you need to know. Before we start it, could you check if you have subscribed my channel? If not, just take you 1 second to click it. Number 1. 曬恩愛. 曬恩愛. Displayed affection in public. 曬 literally means sunbath, but here it means show off. Lots of couples would like to share their happiness on social media. If you display too much, it's like showing off and it will hurt someone's feeling. 佢哋陣陣都喺朋友圈曬恩愛，有冇諗過我感受啊？佢哋陣陣都喺朋友圈曬恩愛，有冇諗過我感受啊？佢哋 they 陣陣 always 都喺 in 朋友圈 WeChat moment 曬恩愛。曬恩愛 show off their affection. 有冇 have they 諗過 thought 我感受啊 my feeling. 佢哋陣陣都喺朋友圈曬恩愛，有冇諗過我感受啊？ They always show off on their WeChat moment. Have they thought of my feeling? Number 2. 掟煲. 掟煲 to break up. Literally means throw a pot. Normally, a couple will have a fight before they break up, right? And maybe they will throw a pot to each other or on the floor. So 掟煲 here means break up. For example, 我同佢掟咗煲啦。我同佢掟咗煲啦。I broke up with him. Number 3. 箍煲. 箍煲 to get back together. Just now we have already learned 掟煲 means break the pot. So here, 箍煲 it means fix the pot. For example, 佢打電話過嚟，想同我箍煲啊。佢打電話過嚟，想同我箍煲啊。佢 he 打電話 call 過嚟 to me 想 want 同我 with me 箍煲 get back together. 佢打電話過嚟，想同我箍煲啊。He called me and asked to get back together. Number 4. 俾人飛. 俾人飛 to be dumped by someone. 飛 literally means fly, but here 俾人飛 means be dumped by somebody. For example, 我俾佢飛咗啦，好唔開心啊！我俾佢飛咗啦，好唔開心啊！ I was dumped by him. I'm so sad. Number 5. 咖喱雞. 咖喱雞. We are talking about 咖喱雞 related to relationship instead of the dishes. Curry chicken, 咖喱雞. So, 咖喱雞 here means the hickey or the love bite. When we were in high school, we thought it was cool because it's a symbol of love. 你哋睇下，哇！咖喱雞啊 So, 你條頸上面點解會有咖喱雞嘅？你條頸上面點解會有咖喱雞嘅？你條頸 your neck 上面 on 點解 why 會有 have 咖喱雞嘅？你條頸上面點解會有咖喱雞嘅？ Why there is a love bite on your leg? Number 6. 花心蘿蔔。花心蘿蔔. It literally means the old radish. The old radish will lose the water and it looks like a flower inside, while it still looks good outside. It's like a playboy looks nice outside, but he's not faithful inside, right? So I could say 佢係個花心蘿蔔嚟㗎，佢唔啱你㗎。佢係個花心蘿蔔嚟㗎，佢唔啱你㗎。佢 he 係 is 個花心蘿蔔 a playboy， 佢唔啱你㗎。He is not suitable for you。佢係個花心蘿蔔嚟㗎，佢唔啱你㗎。He's a playboy and he's not suitable for you。Number 7. My Ting 姐 My Ting 姐 and 籮底橙 籮底橙. It literally means the leftover cane and leftover orange in a food store. It's used to describe the single woman above the median age of the first marriage. And it also have the meanings of leftover woman who is difficult to be chosen. Oh gosh. So am I a 籮底橙? Well, my parents think I'm going to be. So my parents always say that 快啲返嚟搵個男朋友啦，你就嚟變籮底橙啦。快啲返嚟搵返個男朋友啦。你就嚟變籮底橙啦！快啲 quickly 返嚟 come back 搵返個男朋友，搵返個男朋友 find a boyfriend。你 you 就嚟 almost going to 變 become 籮底橙，籮底橙。The leftover woman. Come back home to find a boyfriend quickly, or you will become a leftover woman. Number 8. 鑽石王老五鑽石王老五 Rich single guy. For a single man at the same age as 籮底橙, we call them 鑽石王老五鑽石Diamond. As an old saying goes, 男人30一枝花. A man's life just begins in their 30s, and he has some success in their career. So we would call those guys in their 30s or 40s 鑽石王老五。介紹個筍盤俾你識啊，佢係鑽石王老五嚟㗎。介紹個筍盤俾你識啊，佢係鑽石王老五嚟㗎。介紹 introduce 筍盤 nice person nice things 俾你識啦。To let you know 介紹個筍盤俾你識啦，佢係鑽石王老五嚟㗎。佢 he 係 is鑽石王老五 rich and single man 嚟㗎。介紹個筍盤俾你識啊，佢係鑽石王老五嚟㗎。Let me introduce you a nice guy. He is rich and single. Number 9. 毒男 geek. Well, not all guys will be called 鑽石王老五. For those guys who would like to play video games and feel uncomfortable for the social life, and then we will call them 毒男. 毒 means poison. I think it's quite rude to call someone 毒男, but it's better to balance your social life and your cyber life, right? Number 10. 收兵 收兵 collecting soldier. Well, soldier, love is a war. Well, 收兵 is used to describe a girl accumulate lots of male friends with the purpose of friend-zoning them, but utilize them to help her run errand. So this kind of guy will be called 觀音兵. 觀音兵. So be careful that if your dream girl treat you just a 兵 only. So 小心做咗人哋隻兵啊！小心做咗人哋隻兵啊！小心 be careful. 做咗 become 人哋 others 隻兵啊 a soldier. 小心做咗人哋隻兵啊 be careful to be used as a soldier only in a relationship. The last one, 水泡 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 literally means the swimming rings, which save people's life. But in a relationship, 水泡 means the rebound girl or the rebound guys. For example, my ex just treat me as a rebound girl. Then I could say, 佢只不過當我係水泡咋。佢只不過當我係水泡咋。佢 he 只不過 only 當 treat 我 me 係水泡咋 as a rebound girl. 佢只不過當我係水泡咋。He just treat me as a rebound girl. I hope that everyone could have a wonderful relationship and 日日曬恩愛. Show off your relationship every day. And 咪做人哋隻兵同水泡啊. Don't become other soldier and rebound person for relationship. If you want to keep away from those bad terms, then you have to subscribe my YouTube channel, 𝘼𝙤𝙗𝙧𝙖 and don't forget to like and share with your friends. See you next time. Bye bye. 下次見啦。